Most SUVs start to break down before 200,000 miles, but these six keep going with just oil changes and common sense maintenance. Starting at number 6, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V stands as one of the most recognized compact SUVs ever produced, with a production history that began in the late 1990s and continues through multiple generations. Over the years, this SUV has earned attention for reliable operation and long service when routine maintenance and scheduled care are followed. Early generations of the CR-V were equipped with naturally aspirated four-cylinder engines that used straightforward mechanical designs without overly complicated systems. And this simplicity has helped many units continue functioning at very high mileage when consistent care was applied. As the design evolved, later generations introduced modern engines, including turbocharged four-cylinder units and hybrid powertrains, while still retaining an emphasis on stable performance and accessible service procedures. A key factor in the long-term usability of the Honda CR-V is the ease of maintaining its powertrain and other core systems. Regular oil changes at the intervals recommended by the manufacturer help maintain lubrication and reduce internal wear on the engine. Oil and filter replacement, scheduled spark plug changes, inspection and replacement of air filters, and periodic tire rotations are among the basic service items that support the smooth operation of this SUV over extended periods. Following the maintenance schedule published in official service manuals ensures that the engine, transmission, and related systems receive consistent care rather than suffering from neglected service tasks. Owner reports and independent vehicle longevity surveys highlight many examples of CR-V models that have accumulated mileage figures in excess of 300,000 miles with basic upkeep. These reports do not rely on exaggerated claims but come from documented service records, published owner experiences, and reliability data collected over years of observations. In many regions where this SUV is popular, high mileage examples are not unusual, and the parts needed for routine service are widely available, which helps reduce downtime and service costs compared with vehicles that require specialized or rare components. The design of the CR-V's suspension, braking system, and drivetrain supports steady operation over time. Standard service items such as brake pad replacement, tire alignment, and periodic inspection of suspension components help maintain consistent handling and safety over long distances. Although wear items naturally require attention as mileage increases, these tasks do not impede the overall durability of the SUV when they are scheduled and completed as part of regular service visits. Transmission systems in many CR-V model years feature automatic gearboxes with built-in cooling and lubrication pathways designed to handle daily driving conditions and extended use. Maintaining proper fluid levels and replacing transmission fluid when recommended contribute to stable shifting and lower stress on internal components over extended mileage. When these service intervals are respected, the transmission continues to operate smoothly, supporting sustained use through many years of driving. Another aspect that supports extended service life for the Honda CR-V is the broad availability of replacement parts and service documentation. A large user base means that manuals, guides, and parts catalogs are accessible to both professional technicians and independent service providers. This accessibility helps reduce service lead times and promotes accurate maintenance procedures that preserve the SUV's condition over time. Examples of high-mileage CR-Vs include vehicles used in a variety of climates and driving conditions, from city commuting to highway travel. Whether operating in hot summer environments or colder seasons, the CR-V's engineering and routine attention to fluid changes, filter replacements, and scheduled inspections help maintain consistent operation. A thorough approach to watching service intervals, fluid condition, and the general health of critical components provides a foundation for this SUV to reach figures many drivers consider exceptional. In summary, the Honda CR-V represents a compact SUV that, with diligent adherence to the maintenance schedule, consistent oil and filter changes, scheduled tune-ups, tire rotations, and routine inspections, has been documented to reach and exceed high mileage thresholds in real-world use. Its balance of mechanical simplicity in early generations and modern efficiency in later designs, combined with widespread parts availability and documented owner experiences, makes it a fitting example of a vehicle capable of long-term service with basic care. Number 5. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has a long record of reaching extremely high mileage when routine maintenance is followed. Many fourth-generation and fifth-generation RAV4 models have documented examples crossing 300,000 miles with standard oil changes, filter replacements, and scheduled inspections. This consistency comes from a proven four-cylinder engine design that avoids unnecessary mechanical complexity, reducing internal wear when lubrication intervals are respected. Older RAV4 models with naturally aspirated engines are especially known for sustained high-mileage operation. Later models introduced updated engines and hybrid systems, yet still maintain strong reliability records when basic servicing is not skipped. Transmission fluid replacement at recommended intervals supports smooth operation across extended mileage, and many high-mileage records show original transmissions continuing without rebuilds when fluid care is consistent. Where items such as brake components, suspension joints, and belts require replacement over time, yet these are standard maintenance tasks rather than major mechanical repairs. Parts availability is widespread due to global production volume, which keeps routine servicing straightforward and uninterrupted. Owner mileage records, independent reliability surveys, and long-term fleet data consistently show the RAV4 achieving 300,000 miles and beyond under regular care. This combination of proven engine design, accessible servicing, and documented high-mileage examples places the Toyota RAV4 firmly among compact SUVs known for reaching extreme mileage with basic maintenance. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 entered the compact SUV market with a design centered on mechanical efficiency and straightforward engineering. Most CX-5 models use naturally aspirated four-cylinder engines with direct fuel injection and conventional internal layouts. This approach reduces unnecessary mechanical complexity, helping internal components operate consistently when routine maintenance is followed. Regular oil changes, filter replacements, and scheduled inspections play a direct role in supporting extended mileage accumulation. Many long-term owner records and independent reliability reports show CX-5 models reaching very high mileage with standard care. Engine oil quality monitoring, timely spark plug replacement, and cooling system checks help maintain stable engine operation as mileage increases. Transmission systems in the CX-5 rely on traditional automatic designs rather than belt-driven CVT layouts, and transmission fluid service at recommended interval supports continued smooth shifting over extended driving distances. Suspension and braking components in the CX-5 follow conventional designs with widely available replacement parts. Where items such as brake pads, belts, and suspension bushings require scheduled replacement over time, yet these remain routine maintenance steps rather than major mechanical repairs. Global parts availability and established service procedures help ensure consistent upkeep without specialized equipment. Documented high-mileage CX-5 units show that consistent attention to basic servicing tasks allows this SUV to remain in regular operation across hundreds of thousands of miles. This record of durability, supported by simple engine design and standard maintenance access, places the Mazda CX-5 among compact SUVs known for sustained long-distance use under routine care. Number 3. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is built on engineering shared with Toyota platforms, using refined V6 and later four-cylinder and hybrid powertrains designed for smooth operation and long-term dependability. Many RX models have recorded mileage well beyond typical ownership ranges when scheduled maintenance and fluid servicing are completed on time. Engine designs in multiple generations prioritize controlled operating temperatures, consistent lubrication pathways, and stable internal tolerances, supporting high mileage accumulation with basic care. Oil changes, filter servicing, spark plug replacement, and cooling system inspections are key routine tasks that contribute to continued engine consistency. Transmission systems in the RX, including traditional automatic and hybrid drive units, benefit from scheduled fluid replacement, which helps reduce internal wear during extended driving periods. Documented owner records and fleet usage data show numerous RX units surpassing 300,000 miles, without requiring major drivetrain rebuilds when service schedules are respected. Suspension systems use durable multi-link layouts and standard replaceable components. Brake system maintenance, alignment checks, and periodic suspension inspections help preserve driving stability as mileage increases. Parts availability remains strong due to platform sharing with Toyota models, allowing straightforward sourcing of service components over long ownership periods. Long-term reliability studies and high-mileage ownership reports consistently place the Lexus RX among SUVs capable of reaching extreme mileage when routine servicing is not skipped. This combination of controlled engineering, accessible maintenance procedures, and documented extended mileage examples secures the RX a position among SUVs known for achieving 300,000 miles with standard care. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner uses a body-on-frame construction that separates the frame from the cabin structure. This layout reduces stress on the main chassis during daily driving and rough road use, supporting long-term structural stability over high mileage. Many 4Runner models across multiple generations have documented records exceeding 300,000 miles when routine servicing and scheduled maintenance are followed. Most 4Runner models use naturally aspirated V6 engines with traditional internal layouts and conventional fuel systems. These engines avoid complex turbocharging systems and rely on steady operating temperatures and consistent lubrication flow. Regular oil changes, filter replacement, and scheduled spark plug servicing help maintain internal engine condition over extended mileage accumulation. High-mileage owner reports frequently show original engines continuing operation without internal rebuilds when these basic service tasks are completed on time. Transmission systems in the 4Runner are traditional automatic gearboxes designed for steady torque handling. Transmission fluid service at recommended intervals plays an important role in preserving smooth shifting and reducing internal friction over long-distance driving. Documented high-mileage examples show original transmissions remaining in operation when fluid maintenance schedules are respected. Suspension components and drivetrain hardware in the 4Runner use durable mechanical layouts designed for continuous load handling. Standard wear items such as brake components, suspension bushings, and belts require periodic replacement, yet these remain routine maintenance tasks rather than major mechanical interventions. Replacement parts are widely available due to long-term production continuity, supporting consistent upkeep. Real-world long-distance usage records, fleet service data, and independent reliability tracking show numerous 4Runner units reaching and exceeding 300,000 miles under regular care routines. This consistent high-mileage record, combined with traditional mechanical design and accessible servicing, secures the Toyota 4Runner a strong position among SUVs known for achieving extreme mileage through basic maintenance. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser uses a heavy-duty body-on-frame structure and naturally aspirated or low-stress turbocharged engines built for continuous operation under load. Regular oil changes, fluid servicing, and scheduled inspections support consistent drivetrain performance across extreme mileage. Global fleet records, long-term ownership reports, and commercial usage data show many Land Cruiser models exceeding 300,000 miles, with original engines and transmissions when routine maintenance is followed. Strong parts availability and straightforward service procedures help keep standard upkeep uninterrupted, placing the Land Cruiser at the top of SUVs known for reaching very high mileage with basic care.